Hello and welcome to another how-to guide using Premiere Pro. So today we're going to see, or I'm going to show you how you can add green screen effects to a live action video. So I've just recorded a video of the table in a classroom, and I have placed some figures from Star Wars over the top just to show you how easy it is to use green screen. So what you need to do, you need to open up Premiere Pro, and you need to click the import of how you want to what you want to include in your video. So I accidentally filmed this upside down, so it's a good chance I can show you how to do this. So you click on the image, you go to Effect Controls, and you click on Motion, and then you click Rotation. And we want to turn it 180 degrees, so click in 180, and then it turns the video around. Then we want to zoom in a little bit onto the table, so we scale, press scale and go to 110. So we want to include our green screen effects, so download them from YouTube, which is what I did, and drag them into your video. So obviously just cut to where you want it to go, so we need to get it exactly right from where the green screen starts. So you click and drag over and get it to the exact point. So click to the exact point where you want the green screen to end and drag it over, like so. Now what we want to do is we want to make sure that we maximize the screen, so we right click on the picture and we scale to frame size. And what we want to do is we want to drag that over the top of the table. But first, what we actually need to do is we need to go to Effects and type in Ultra. So you click on the Ultra key and you click and drag onto the green screen effect. And then what this does is it opens up a Ultra key symbol. So you click on that, and then you want to click on the color dripper, or color drop, and then you want to click on the green screen. And what that will do is it will change the screen to black. So what this does is it's like a tracing paper, so it transfers it over the top of the video. But what we want to do is we want to unlink this media because we don't want any sound to this. So you right click, unlink, and then just get rid of it. Then you place it over the top of your image, and you're going to just quickly unlink again. So you click it over the top of your image, and you should have the image over the top of your video. Sorry, I said image, but I meant video. So you have the green screen effect over the video now. So as you can see, just a plain table is now a busy Star Wars scene, and it's just that easy. So I'm going to show you another example of how to use this. As I said, once again, it's so easy. So you get the green screen effect that you want. So you unlink it to get rid of the sound. And then you trim to exactly where you want it to go. And then there we go. And then we cut it again using the razor tool. Get rid of what you want. And that's what's going to look like on our table, which looks really cool. So we go back to Effects, you drag the Ultra key over the green screen video, and then you click on the color drop, click the green, turns it to a black screen, and then we just hover it over the top of the video. And obviously you want to probably just narrow it down exactly where you want it exactly. So you want it quite close to the start of the video as possible. Click play, and now we've got a very cool scene on our video, and it's as easy as that. Thank you very much for listening to this, and I hope you have fun recreating this with whatever you do. Don't forget to check out all our other videos on Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator.